Hi, this is Tim Osgoner with CAO. Just came back from the Cigar Fest to massive flooding. And today we couldn't get to work because that right there is where we exit. Completely flooded. So we're going to try to find a creative way to get to CAO. Unbelievable. Look at
You can see the trucks over there underwater.
Yeah. The unfortunate thing is that's Nashville Electric Service. West Service Center.
Nashville Electric Service.
There's not going to be any service there. Look.
See the cars that are underwater.
Look at this road.
You can see water bubbling up over there for some reason.
Look at that fence line over there.
Beacon Square where I used to live. It's going in the houses on the other side of the street. Ever since they're back away.
These people's homes. It's up inside their houses. Now it's just devastated.
Hey, look, I'm gonna tell you right now, and he can vouch because he smokes the CAO too. That's the only brand
Can you hear
that
it?
I smoke.
Yeah.
And I can't believe that I met this guy.
In the midst of this disaster.
That's it. I mean, I've seen him on the computer, and that's about it. I've seen some of his little blogs on the computer on CAO's website.
But he's saying there's no. He's saying that we can't get to the office.
That's it. As far as it goes, from the way I understand it, you can get over Centennial and Briley, but after that, they won't let you through.
This is where we're
Do you think
trying to
it's
get
flooded
to.
back there where
No,
Cottrell is?
I think you're high enough up. You're not going to have to worry about it.
I think so too.
Yeah. This is the best right here. Yeah.
You know where I am, right?
Man, I know exactly. Like I said, I mean, I
You think
passed
that's
by.
okay?
Yeah, I think you're fine over there for sure.
See, in the middle of this, still people.
What's your name?
Kenny Denny.
Kenny. What's your friend's name?
Jeff.
Jeff. It's nice to meet you guys.
Nice meeting you guys.
Hopefully your homes were okay.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
guys all right?
Fine.
Good.
Okay.
Good.
Y'all be safe.